Hey guys, today let's learn how to create a sticker on Snapchat. So it's going to be pretty easy guys because all we need to do first is to launch the Snapchat application. So go on over and launch the Snapchat application, and once you're already here, I'd like you to go ahead and take a quick snap of anything on your desk. So let's say for this example, I'm going to go ahead and just take a snap of my mouse. Okay, so once we are already here, in order for us to create a sticker from this picture, all we need to do is just tap on this scissor icon to successfully create this photo into a sticker. So what we need to go ahead and do now is to outline the object with your finger to make a sticker. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just outline this object over here, which is the main thing that we need to go ahead and create a sticker from. And once we are already done with outlining this photo, all we need to do is just tap on and release it. And as you would see, we now have this sticker from this specific photo, as you would see right here. So now we could place this anywhere we'd like. We could send this now as a snap or post this on our story. Essentially, that is how you guys could create stickers on Snapchat. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.